Hello friend, thanks for watching my MJ Kids channel. आज हम लोग बुझाने वाले हैं यूनिक एंड इजी पैटर्न्स ऑफ द रूबिक क्यूब. फर्स्ट पैटर्न इज डॉट पैटर्न.
Okay. Okay. First one, dot pattern. Very good. Very good. Second pattern.
First roll it.
Okay.
Second pattern is checkerboard pattern.
Okay. Checkerboard. Great. Good. Now third one.
Check line.
Show. Okay. Two are the line.
Two are the checkerboard.
Okay.
And four are the line.
Four are the line. Okay. Third one. Fourth.
Third one. Plus pattern. Two are solved and four are plus.
Show the plus.
And two are solved.
Okay. Four pattern is complete. And now the fifth pattern.
फिफ्थ फाइनल पैटर्न. आपको इसके लिए सॉल्व करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है.
Okay.
आपको इसके लिए दो बार मिडिल लेयर घुमानी है एंड आपका बन जाएगा एच पैटर्न.
H pattern for happy birthday pattern. Show the H pattern.
Two are solved and four are H.
Show the H. Clear H. Rotate the cube. Great.
And two are solved.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching my MJ Kids channel. Like, share and subscribe the channel.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.